I find out that we're losing deals to no decision, right? Like, we stuck with the status quo, right? So what that tells me as a leader, there's a bunch of areas that I can go poke into, right? And I think sometimes, what happens is, again, you don't go deep enough on that. Okay, so status quo, if I don't do any further digging on that, well, I might think like, well, our reps just don't know how to tell a value story, right? Or we got to do a better job of showing the value, the value that we have. And or I might say, oh, we've got to tell a better ROI story, so let's break out the calculator. um, and it would just be kind of shooting darts, because if you don't actually talk to customers, you might realize it's like, well, it's just like right now you're missing these two features that would make me move immediately. And it's like, oh, okay, well, that's not sales related at all. That's product related. And I think, like, to me, Mike, that's where the value in really building an engine to, you know, call it, tackle this head on more frequently is you really get to the heart of why you're losing something. And again, it could be a product issue. It might not be the sales pitch, but I think a lot of times we try to do, too much. Oh, well, let's go fix this, and it's like, just go ask and go deeper.